Have you heard of or visited Switzerland? I'm sure you've experienced one of these. What's the first thing that comes to your mind about Switzerland? What things that catch your attention about Switzerland? There must be many answers to this question. Well, we are here to share knowledge with you about Switzerland.
Okay, let me tell you why we should visit Switzerland. First of all, Switzerland is a beautiful country that has no sea because it is surrounded by 5 countries. This country is located on the European continent, surrounded by Germany on the north side, France on the west side, Italy on the south side, and Austria, also Liechtenstein on the east side. As a country surrounded by the European Union, Switzerland has incredible European buildings. Even though Switzerland is a small country, having clean water makes Switzerland the cleanest country on our planet. Switzerland is well known for its beautiful scenery, unbelievable landscape, clean country, eye-catching mountains, lakes with clear blue waters, and surrounded by the enchanting Alps. If you pay attention to some places in Switzerland, there are several tourist destinations that have interesting views, wherein one place has 2 different circumstances, with a perfect green landscape and the Alps on the other side. It offers unbelievable views and interesting culture. Switzerland has many cities and interesting places to visit, with a surprising landscape like a fairy tale, making Switzerland one of the perfect places to spend vacation time. Switzerland is a wonderland. Rian, how about the ethnicity in Switzerland?
Did anyone mention about Switzerland? Okay, let me tell you about the ethnicity in Switzerland. Not only serve the most beautiful place in the world, but Switzerland also has numerous ethnicity. Although Switzerland is not quite big, do you know that there are 5 ethnic divisions in Switzerland? The percentage is 65% for German, 18% for French, 10% Italian, and 6% for other. In Switzerland, there are a group of people who has 2 nationalities. It's pretty unique, right? The ethnicity for people who has Swiss nationals only is 70% for German, 20% for French, 4% Italian, 1% for Romance, and 1% for other. This variety makes Switzerland become a country that has different beautiful culture. Based on statistical information, there are 3 religions there. There are Roman Catholic, Protestant, and other. And what about the language? Another unique fact about Switzerland, people who live there can speak no less than 4 languages. It's fantastic, right? As Philia said before, people usually call Switzerland a fairy place in the world. And of course, there are so many unbelievable destinations there. This topic has always become the most interesting topic to be discussed. I have a beautiful friend who knows some of the gorgeous places in Switzerland. So, Chacha, it's your time. Go tell them.
Here I will tell about 2 famous places in Switzerland that are Zurich and Zermatt. First place is Switzerland's largest city, Zurich. Has unique things since this city has more than 50 museums and over 100 art galleries. When visitors get tired of shopping, They can take a boat ride on Lake Zurich or go hiking in the nearby mountains. The city also has an impressive number of clubs for travelers who enjoy going out at night. Don't forget to visit the Swiss National Museum in a fairy-tale castle. In there, you can see Switzerland's cultural history. Second place is Zermatt. Zermatt is a small town that is famous for skiing and mountaineering because this town is near with the Matterhorn, one of Switzerland's highest mountains. There is cable cars surrounding mountains in the winter and summer. Zermatt is a good town for walking to various sites since gasoline-driven vehicles are not permitted. Visitors take only 30 minutes or less to walk between sites. You can access the town by scenic train roads that connect it with the outside world. Amazing, right? And Fitra, what language is spoken in Switzerland?
Hi all! Now it's my turn to tell you what languages are spoken in Switzerland. Serious? Let's listen to it. Switzerland is known for its excellent quality of life, impeccable infrastructure, and eco-friendly outlook. The key to Switzerland's success and harmony may lie in the level of diversity in the country. What you need to know, this country has 4 official languages. Can you guess what language it is? The 4 official languages are German, French, Italian, and Romance. Each is spoken in a different area. Let's take a closer look at the languages and regions in which they are spoken. German. Swiss German is spoken in the north, east, and central parts of the country and is spoken by 63% of the population, making it the primary language in Switzerland. You will find the exact word used differently in Zurich, Bern, or Basel. Again, you don't have to worry. When in doubt, ask for clarification politely. The second is French. Swiss French is the second most popular language in Switzerland. It is spoken mainly in western Switzerland, including the cantons of Geneva, Vaud, Neuchâtel, and Jura. There is little difference between French spoken in Switzerland and that said in France despite the name. The third language is used in Switzerland is Italy. Known historically as Lombard, Swiss Italian is spoken by about 350,000 people. Swiss Italian is the language spoken in the canton of Ticino and the southern part of Graubünden, Canton Grignioni. This part of Switzerland offers a unique blend of Swiss and Italian culture. One reason to visit and study here. The final chapter in this Swiss linguistic treat is Romance. With only 37,000 speakers, it is the language with the fewest speakers in Switzerland. With a lot of beautiful destinations, Switzerland should be counted on your wishlist trip. You can learn about cultures and languages in this very country. There are so many new things that you can discover in Switzerland, a country with a lot of hidden gems. Have a vacation in Switzerland means you will feel the serenity in each corner of this country.